Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue to solve questions on equivalent fraction. Now we are told to find the missing number. To get the missing number, you can either do multiplication or division. You don't do addition, you don't do subtraction in this topic. Now the denominator here is 10 and the denominator here is not given. It means that the denominators are not complete. Because they are not complete, you cannot start from the denominator. So you rather start from the numerator. The numerator here is 7 and the numerator here is 21. Okay, now because this boss is under 21, you can't start from 21. Okay, so you rather start from 7. Now you ask yourself, what will you do to 7 so that it will become 21? Now you will agree with me that if you do times 3 here, that 7 will turn into 21. Now whatever you do to the top of this fraction that I circled, you must do to the bottom as well. Because we did times 3 at the top, you will also go down and do times 3. Okay, now when you do 10 times 3, that will give you what? 30. You write it here. So the missing number is 30. Now if we move on to the next one, now if you look at it very well, the numerator here is 6. This numerator is not given. It means that the numerators are not complete. Because they are not complete, you can't start from the numerator. You will rather start from the denominator. The denominator here is 21. The denominator here is 7. Now, which of them will you start with? Because this boss is on top of 7, it means that you can't start with 7. Okay, so I would rather start with 21. Now, what will you do to 21 so that it will become 7? For 21 to become smaller and to become 7, only division can reduce a number. Only division can make a number to become smaller. So it is division we are going to do. Now, 21 divided by what number will give you 7? You agree with me that 21 divided by 3 will give you what? 7. Now, whatever you do to the bottom of this fraction that I circled, you must also do it to the top. Because we did divide by 3 at the bottom, I will go to the top and also do divide by 3. Then you do 6 divided by 3 and that will give you 2. So the missing number is 2. Now let's look at the last one for today. Now, the numerator here is 6. This numerator is not given. That means that the numerators are not complete. One is missing. Because the numerators are not complete, you cannot start from the numerator. So you rather start from the denominator. So the denominator here is 6 and the denominator here is 36. Now, which of the denominators will you start from? You can't start from 6 because that numerator has an empty box on top of it. Okay, so I'll rather start with 36. Now, what will you do to 36 so that it will become 6? For 36 to become smaller and to turn into that 6 that the arrow is pointing to, you have to do division. So 36 divided by what number will give us this 6 that the arrow is pointing to? You will agree with me that 36 divided by 6 will give you what? This 6. Now, whatever you do to the bottom of this fraction that I circled, you must also do it to the top. Because I did divide by 6 at the bottom, I will go to the top and also do divide by 6. Now, 6 divided by 6 is what? Is 1. So that means that 1 will become the missing number. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.